Hey guys, I'm gonna make some Beyond Beef street tacos. So I got some street taco. I'm gonna try these sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas. Haven't had them in just the regular. And then got some of this here for sauces. And then what I'm gonna do is chop up a bunch of onions and grill some onions. And then I'm just gonna use taco seasoning. I'm also gonna saute up some peppers too. Okay, I got this Dutch oven here, and I'm gonna just spray some Pam on the inside, and then and this is what I'm gonna do the onions in. So I'm gonna go heat this up. Okay, while I'm chopping up my vegetables, I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. I'm gonna do my Beyond Beef in here. All right, adding my onions. I'm gonna do a whole bunch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slice up a bunch of peppers. All right, just add a little bit of water, and then I'm just kind of browning it, just like you would with beef. Brown it. Then we're gonna add our taco mix here in a minute. Ooh, these peppers smell really good. All right, about to add the taco seasoning there, still cooking those. We'll go ahead and add this. What I like to do is just kind of cover it. You need to add a little bit more water, go ahead. There we go. Stir it all around in there. There we go, the peppers are done. I sliced up some lettuce and some tomato too from the garden. Just gonna use my pepper pan and warm up these tortillas just a little bit. I'm not deep frying them. You could do that if you wanted to. Meat's done. The onions are just about done. You could probably get some on there. Okay, grab the tortillas. Again, I just like these warm. Meat on there. Put some onions on there. I like lots of onions. Okay, I'll get some lettuce on there. Some tomatoes and peppers. Some guacamole sauce. This one's getting some red sauce on there too, some taco sauce. There we go, we're ready to eat.